Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Kim. This is my husband Theo. So we decided to do something different this time because last time we did a subscription together. So this time we decided to do like a quick recipe because most of the time it's just me and him and our dog, but we always end up overcooking or we end up going to get something to eat somewhere else because we try to be cheap, but at the same time we like what we like. So we decided to do like a quick recipe, but we were gonna do this together, but I think that I'm gonna teach him how to do it. That way he can make it for me because I like it.
Okay.
So let me show you what we're gonna need to make this. Excuse all my kitchen hobbyist stuff, but so we're gonna use ground beef, but you can use ground turkey if you want, or ground chicken, it doesn't matter. This is a seasoning that he created, but you can use your own seasoning or taco seasoning, whatever you like. We got the Grand's croissant rolls. I just grabbed 2 because I wasn't sure how much it was gonna make with using the whole pack of meat. And then whatever cheese you want to use. This is just whatever we had in the fridge, so we'll go with that. And then, of course, you're going to need a skillet to brown your meat in. And you're going to need your oven. You're going to need a pan to put your stuff on once you make it. I don't really have a name for it, for the recipe, but, you know, we're just going to make it.
Meat in pockets.
Meat in pot. Okay. Taco pockets.
No.
Taco pockets?
Meat in pockets.
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Oven's clear.
The oven's clear because my mom stores stuff in there when she comes over here.
Okay.
Yes, our house is lived in. Excuse the mess. So, the first thing you're going to do is turn your skillet on because you're going to brown your meat.
There we go.
All right, now. We're cooking with gas.
So we're on high? Medium high?
Medium high. I don't know. So, you're going to get your ground beef.
All right, let's get ground beef.
Open it on. Watch you put your hands all over it. Sorry. But I don't mean your hands are dirty or anything. I meant like touching the raw meat. Alright, let's see how we're coming. Alright, that meat looks pretty brown. So, are you going to season it now or season it after you strain it?
Season it now.
Alright, season it now. This is his special blend of seasoning. Secret. He can't tell you. Because he forgot. Shh. And while you're browning, you can go ahead and preheat the oven on 350. So you can cook your croissant pockets. Okay, so the meat is done. Cooked, brown, pretty good. All right, you can turn your meat off. Meat's off. Now what you're going to do is sit it to the side because you don't want to keep cooking and burn. Good job, babe. Now you're going to open your croissants. Be careful. We'll take it out, unroll it all the way out.
All right, we're going to unroll this thing all the way out.
I'm trying to show the people your face, buddy. Say hi. No. If you come over, I can't see you. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Up. Okay.
All right. We unrolled all the way out now.
All right, so we're all the way rolled out. See how you have perfect little pockets? If you want to, you can. If you want them to be rectangular pockets, you smush in the lines, the diagonal line. Or if you want them to be triangles, you separate them out. So what do you want to do?
I'm going with the big pockets.
Big pockets. So smush in the lines to make sure that they're like not going to come apart once you cook them. See, no more dotted lines. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, now you're going to take the ground beef and you're going to scoop it out onto the pockets on the top, the bottom part of the pockets.
This one is special.
What are you doing?
You gotta make sure it's meaty.
First of all, they're not going to be able to pick them up.
It's all good.
Okay. Now set it to the side. Get your cheese. Sprinkle some cheese up in there.
Cool. I'll make it rain. I'll make it rain.
Don't make mine crazy cheesy. I know you put extra cheese on yours. Man, you giving Walmart free publicity. Put some more cheese on mine.
You said don't make it crazy cheesy.
Come on, man.
Goodness.
Don't be a jerk. Okay, that's good. Thank you. All right, so now you're going to open your other can of biscuits since we decided to do big pockets.
Let's see if it...
All right, so now that they're all covered, you're going to take your, you can either use your fingers or use a fork to smush in the edges so that they close, the pockets close. Yeah, that works. Smush them all down. Yeah, you didn't try to make that thing look pretty at all, huh?
I don't know. Going for it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Got caught. It just mean that they didn't make the clip.
Oh, okay. All right, so now that they're done, we're going to put them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Now we wait. And we're back. And it's time to take them out of the oven. Be careful. And they're done. Look how golden brown. So what do you think? Did you do a good job?
I did excellent.
I guess we'll know once we taste them, huh?
No, don't need to taste them.
You gotta let them cool. You gonna wait for me?
Nope. Let me take them over. Cool.
So I had an amazing time recording this video with my husband. He is just, you know, trying to get into this with me. So, you know, we can do this together, have our little thing. But if you like this video or want to see more videos like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment below. Let me know what you think. Give us some suggestions. If you have any recipes you want us to try, let me know. Thank you guys. Later.